Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Sellfy, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you create a lead magnet in Sellfy? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a lead magnet with Sellfy anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you're going to give away free ebooks or free checklists to gather your customers' email. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Sellfy dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I've already logged into my Sellfy and this is the home screen. Now, before you go any further, I want to let you know this video is to upload your lead magnet onto Sellfy and how to distribute it. This is not to create your lead magnet because that's going to really depend on your audience. But a lot of times people are going to use checklists, maybe video tutorials, ebooks. But once you have that and you want to go ahead and distribute it with your Sellfy, what you're going to do is here on the home screen, click on products. Once you click on products, you're going to see a drop down menu and you want to click on freebie. If you don't see this, make sure you click on add new product. It's a blue button here on the top right. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these 5 options, and just like before, click on freebie. It's the yellow logo. Okay guys, so here is where you can go ahead and upload your lead magnet. So you're going to go ahead and click here, browse on your computer. Okay, once you grab the file, it's going to upload right here. So in this lead magnet, you can go ahead and upload a PDF like I did. However, you can go ahead and upload a video, an audio file. It really depends on what you're using as a lead magnet. It's okay. Also in your lead magnet, you can add up to 50 files in Sellfy. So maybe it's going to be a group of PDFs or a group of videos, just as long as the combined size is less than 10 gigabytes. Okay, next you want to scroll down and then you want to give this product a name. So this is going to be customer facing, so don't put lead magnet. So maybe we're going to do best recipe collection you have ever seen. Okay, and then here we're going to go ahead and write a description. Even though you're giving this away, you definitely want to write a good description, because if it's not compelling, they're not going to want this lead magnet from you. And in this product description, you can go ahead and add words. You can click right here and add an image. You can add links if it's relevant. Next, you want to scroll down. You can give it a product category. So maybe we'd categorize this as free items. And here you can add a thumbnail. Again, just because it's free doesn't mean they're going to accept your lead magnet. So you still want to make it appealing. So let me go ahead and add a thumbnail. I added a thumbnail and now we're pretty much done. So now what you want to do if you want to share your lead magnet is right here underneath the product name, you're going to see the URL. So you want to make sure you edit this, and that way it is something that's related to your lead magnet. So let me go ahead and click in here, best recipe ever. Okay, so that looks a little better to me. And then you want to click on save product. Okay, let me close this out. Okay, so here is our lead magnet that we just created. So in order to distribute this, what you're going to do is on the right here, you're going to click on these 3 dots. Once you click there, you'll see a drop down menu and you want to click on share. Okay, once you click on share, you're going to see the lead magnet link. Copy that link. And now you're ready to go ahead and share this lead magnet. So you can put it in a Facebook group. You can share it on your Twitter feed, in your YouTube channel. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create a lead magnet inside of your Sellfy account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.